Next, suppose that firm 1 is producing x1 bar greater than 0. In that case, firm 2 would not have the green market demand curve as its own demand curve, but rather a new magenta residual demand curve, where we subtract the quantity that firm 1 has produced from the market demand curve. Like any linear demand curve, this magenta residual demand curve gives rise to a marginal revenue curve that has the same vertical intercept but intersects the horizontal axis at half the distance. Since the residual demand curve is what's left over for firm 2 once firm 1 has decided to produce x1 bar, firm 2 will produce where the magenta marginal revenue intersects marginal cost. The resulting quantity is then firm 2's best response to firm 1 producing x1 bar, and gives us the point that's indicated in panel A on firm 2's best response function. It should now be clear why firm 2's best response function in panel A has a vertical intercept of xm, and why it is downward sloping, as the residual demand curve moves further from the green demand curve in panel C. Because firm 1 is producing more x1, the intersection of the residual marginal revenue curve with marginal cost will shift to the left, thus causing the best response for firm 2 to produce less and less quantity as firm 1 produces more and more. You should then be able to convince yourself that the horizontal intercept of the best response function in panel A occurs at the quantity x star.